Hello guys, my name is NainZahran. I am feeling very cool now. There is raining time and spring has come and Ramadan. We are in Ramadan. For March, we can say in March the spring can start. Now let's explore. Now Gilgit is a good, very beautiful, and very, we can say, supercalifragilistic. This is a word, bro. I have said wrong or truth. Say in the comments, okay? It is. I like this place because it have no pollution, not. It is a good place for living, and the World War III has started too. This is Pakistan, and this is in Pakistan. This is Gilgit, Baltistan. So clouds have come to down the earth. It is very beautiful view. There are storms. Now there is raining time and loads of things. There is snow at mountains. Look, it is very beautiful view. Look at the houses. There are now spring has started. Now the flowers are blooming. It is a very wonderful weather. There are very wonderful things. Beautiful spring has started now. The flowers are blooming. I am playing. I have a car, a blue car, a green car. There is a pigeon. I am playing, and Nanas come from school. Look, I am very excited. I am behind Nan. I look very funny. Look, there is the pigeon at our home. It is very cute pigeon. I like it. And that is my video. Like and subscribe for NainZahran channel.